the aggregate step. In this video, you'll learn how to aggregate and group your data. Tableau Prep's aggregate step allows you to perform a number of quick aggregations on your data, like summarizing or averaging. One scenario in which aggregation of data might come in handy is if you have a large data set and want to roll up your data by just a few groups. Let's just try this out. Open up a new Tableau Prep window and connect to the Excel file provided with the resources for this video. Go ahead and add the 2015 sheet to the flow canvas and then change the input setting to multiple wildcard and click apply to add all sheets. Let's fix the amount USD data type and set it to a decimal number. Then add a cleaning step to see the data grid. Notice how Tableau Prep has automatically added two new fields as a result of the wildcard union: file paths and table names. Next, let's rename amount USD to revenue and table names to year. Now suppose we want to know the total revenue by year. We can see from the profile pane that we currently have 13,000 rows, but really we should only need 5 rows, one for each year in our data: 2015, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Go ahead and click the plus icon on your flow and select Add Aggregate. The aggregate pane has 3 sections. First, a list of all the fields in our data. Second, a pane where we can drag our fields to group our data by. This is the granularity we are seeking. For example, we are seeking to aggregate data by year, so let's drag the year field into this grouped fields pane. Finally, we have the aggregated fields pane. Here we can drag any data field we wish to aggregate by. In our case, let's try to drag revenue here. And there you have it, revenue by year. To change the aggregation to something else than just the default sum, just click the sum to see a drop-down of the available aggregation options. Just pick another option to instantly change the aggregation, for example, to average. And now we see the average revenue by year in just 5 rows of data instead of the 13,000 rows we had at the start. In this video, you've learned to quickly aggregate your data with the aggregate step. In the next video, we'll look at pivoting your data.